Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yvette and I'm so happy that you have joined us. Make sure that you click that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Today I am making pumpkins for Halloween. I did try, they're supposed to be sweater pumpkins. Now this one, I used a man's shirt. What I used was the pumpkins from the styrofoam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. So my pumpkins were $1 each, and then I went to the thrift store and I bought sweaters, and I bought sweaters keeping my decor in mind. So I have the plaid, I bought the chenille one, string, and then I bought this one, and I just thought that would look neat at the top. This was part of the sleeve. It was on the sleeve, on the upper part of the sleeve, so I used that. So those are my pumpkins, and I'm going to show you how I made these. Super easy. I made all 3 pumpkins in about 45 minutes, so it's a super easy project. I am going to be doing some more fall things. This is just kicking off my fall decorate with me, clean with me videos. So video 1 of my fall series is how to make sweater pumpkins. And like I said, some of these are not, well, one of them is not a sweater, it's a shirt, but you can get creative and try different things. I looked for velvet. I wanted to try velvet. I also wanted to try sequined. Like I was looking for like a tank or like something that was sequined, and I wanted to use that. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you're getting ready for fall as well. All right, let's get it. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is when you get your pumpkin, if you have a thinner sweater, you will want to paint your pumpkin white. The first thing I'm doing is cutting the tag off of my pumpkin, throwing that in my trash bag. And then I'm going to cut the stem out. And these are hollow, so you can cut them and carve them like a regular pumpkin without having to get all the gunk out of the middle of them. Okay, now I'm cutting the sleeve off of the sweater. And you want to make sure that you get sweaters that are big enough, or that the material is stretchy enough that it will go over your pumpkin. Now, I did learn by doing this that I didn't necessarily have to cut the hole in the bottom. And then I used my glue gun, and I just put a bead of, for my other Gorilla Glue, I used the Gorilla Glue making brand, hot glue brand. And I'm putting that around and then pushing that down for it to stay. And I do that so that it's flat enough, and you just have to work with it. I burnt my fingers more times. And you do the same, obviously the same thing on the other side of the pumpkin. And then you're going to reattach the bottom of the pumpkin if that's how you decide to do it. Now, like I said, moving after this one, I just cut the top off. I didn't do the bottom. Now I'm going to take the stem, and I'm going to cover that with twine. And I just wound it around and glued, and Pandora came to visit. She was very interested in what I was doing. If you use the twine, keep in mind you have to keep it kind of tight, otherwise it gets bunched up a little bit, which did not happen to me. I was doing really good at keeping it tight on there. And then I used the knife to put that into the glue there at for the end of it. And then I took it out off of the part that I had cut out, and then I just put glue there and stuck it on the top of the pumpkin. And now I'm going to attach leaves, and I use a wire cutter to cut those. And then I decided I wanted to add twine, and I was going to wrap it around, but it wouldn't wrap around, obviously, because I glued there. So I made like a knot, and then measured and make sure I liked where that was at, and then I hot glued that on. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed making pumpkins with me today, and you're enjoying starting to get ready for fall and at least thinking fall. I mean, today here it's 90 degrees, so it's definitely not a fall activity. I cranked the AC and I'm just making pumpkins. So I thought I would share that with you. I hope you enjoyed that. If you try them, I know you can't send me pictures on YouTube. You may be able to upload a picture if you message me through my website. So you can try that as well. If you can't through my website, the link for my Instagram is down below, and you can send me a picture on there. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're getting ready for fall and what type of things you're doing to get ready for fall. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.